बिग बी ने क्यों लिखा, अपने ब्लॉग को लिखते हुए उनके निकले आंसू। एक यूजर के टॉन्ट ने बिग बी को कर दिया बहुत परेशान। सोशल मीडिया पर एक यूजर ने बिग बी की दरियादिली पर उठाए सवाल, तो बिग बी खुद को जवाब देने से नहीं रोक पाए। दरअसल सोशल मीडिया पर बिग बी के लिए एक यूजर ने लिखा, How about donating your extra wealth to the needy and poor? I am sure your wallet will be filled with immense love and blessings. Lead by example. Instruction is good, but example is worth more. अब बिग बी ढेर सारे सोशल कॉजेस से जुड़े हुए हैं। ऐसे में ये टॉन्ट उन्हें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया और उन्होंने लिखा, I weep as I put this out. Because somewhere today this lady has destroyed my belief and stand that I shall not talk of my charity. Only do it. It needs to be done, not talked of. बिग बी ने साफ लिखा कि इस यूजर ने उनका ये बिलीफ तोड़ दिया है कि चैरिटी करके बात नहीं करते। बिग बी ने अपने ब्लॉग में लिखा, सीमा पटेल जी, Yes, my wallet is full with love and blessings, and I shall not take your lead to follow by example. I shall continue to give instruction because you are completely delusional and have no knowledge of any information of what I have done, what I am doing, and what I shall continue doing. Not just for the poor and needy, but for the thousands of farmers that have been saved from suicide by my own personal charitable financial intervention right from Andhra, Vidarbha, Bihar and UP. For the martyrs' family of the CRPF that have sacrificed their lives in Jammu and Kashmir and Pulwama, so you can be safe enough to put out your ill-informed comment here on Facebook. बिग बी सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट से बहुत ही ज्यादा हर्ट थे। यही वजह है कि उन्होंने आगे अपने चैरिटेबल वर्क के बारे में बात करते हुए लिखा, For the workers in the industry commuting numbering 100,000 families that have been provided ration and food for 6 months. For the daily lunch and dinner provided to 5,000 each day since the lockdown till today to the poor in the city. For the 12,000 footwear that has been provided to the migrant workers walking bare feet to their villages from Mumbai. By having my team catch them on the Nasik highway and to give them food and water for the buses. 10 in number, personally arranged to transport them to their homes in Bihar and UP. For the entire train booked by me to transport 2,009 migrant workers to their homes. And when politics cancelled the train within an hour, to have booked and chartered 6 planes of Indigo, transported 180 passengers in each flight, 2 to Varanasi and 2 to Gorakhpur, 1 to Allahabad, 1 to Patna, and providing dry food packets to the migrants in flight, and to arrange for facilities to take the migrants to their respective villages. All at my own personal cost for the frontline workers during the pandemic, to have donated 15,000 PPE units and over 10,000 masks to the hospitals and the police forces in Mumbai. To have provided substantial donation to the chairman of the Sikh community in Delhi who are working assiduously in helping and feeding the poor in this crisis. बिग बी का ये पोस्ट बहुत सारे इमोशंस से भरा हुआ है एंड इट डेफिनेटली शोज कैसे कभी कभी सेलिब्रिटीज को सोशल मीडिया यूजर्स के वर्ड्स किस हद तक चुभ जाते हैं। बिग बी ने अपने इस ब्लॉग को एक लॉन्ग नोट के साथ एंड करते हुए कहा, My personal policy, Seema ji, stipulates of not talking but doing for others shall never stand. But today your uncalled for provocation coerces me to break my stand. And I am so regretting that I have to give explanation. And lastly, I know that they that get the benefit of my work, albeit limited within my personal means, know that it is a million times greater in worth than the instructed example that you wish for me and write about, because that is all that you and your likes are capable of doing. Writing ill-informed, irresponsible diatribe and riding on celebrity backs to get notice. May the Almighty bless and protect you. May you be ever safe and in the care of those unseen divine forces. And this from one that has just been discharged and has survived the dreaded virus by the care and attention and love given to me by the medical professional community of my country, and by the prayers and dual blessings of a million well-wishers, of which you and your friends shall never be a part of. Well, Big B का ये मैसेज उन तमाम लोगों के लिए है जो अक्सर उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द सोसाइटी पर सवाल उठाते हैं.